FAME is a Washington, D.C. based organization that represents 14,000 manufacturers across the country. Their primary goal is to advocate for manufacturers in Washington. They have this organization, the Manufacturing Institute, that has a separate mission. FAME is a part of the Manufacturing Institute. Their goal is to help build the workforce.
We've got a great opportunity in front of us to work together between the Federation for Advanced Manufacturing Education, the Manufacturing Institute, and Amatrol and our distributor network. There are a lot of synergies here.
We signed an agreement that we are going to partner together with goals of helping improve customer outcomes, the chapters, if we can help them have greater success.
We're doing a lot of great things independently, and we can do a lot of great things even more powerfully together. And that's what this is about. Our students are all employed from day one, and they're all enrolled in college from day one as they go through the program. And ultimately, they're going to earn an associate degree as they complete this program as well. But ultimately, we've got to have a high-end lab space that's going to really complement the learning in this program.
Amatrol is going to become the official and exclusively recommended equipment, curriculum, content supplier for industrial maintenance and mechatronics elements of their program.
What I need is the best equipment, and I need enough of it to make sure that I have a full cohort of students who can actually learn on that equipment.
So many of the chapters out there are using Amatrol equipment already. This is really a formalizing of a lot of work that's already been going on.
We have a very strong program, a proven program with the outcomes that show that can be successful.